Hi again, my first grade friends. Today we are going to practice and review alphabetical order. We're going to do this by writing the names of the reindeer in ABC order. This is important so that we can become better writers. Remember our ABC order chart, we always start with the A, and then we go to the next letter B, and then C. But sometimes we have to look at the second letter. Sometimes the first letter is the same, and we have to look at the second letter and see which one goes first. And then if the second letter is the same, we got to go to the third letter, and we have to look at the third letter to decide which one comes next. All right, here is what you're going to be working on today. There are all the names of the reindeer, and you are going to put them in ABC order. So are there any words that start with A? No. Are there any words that start with B? Yes, there is a B, a reindeer named Blitzen. So that is going to be the first word in your ABC order, Blitzen. After you write the name, then you can cross it out, and that makes finding the rest of the words in the right order a lot easier. Okay, so what comes after B? C. Are there any reindeer with a C name? Let's see. Oh, there's one. There's Cupid and there's Comet. Okay, so we have two. They both start with a C. So that means we're going to have to go look at the second letter. So we have to look at the U and we have to look at the O to decide which word is going to come next. So what letter comes first in ABC order, the U or the O? Look at our ABC picture down here. Which letter do you come to first? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. We come to the O first. So the word comet will go next in ABC order. So you'll write comet, and then you'll cross out Blitzen and Comet. And then what word are you going to write next? The other C word, Cupid. That's right. So you'll go back and you'll write Cupid. And then you're just going to keep going through the ABCs until you have gotten to the last reindeer name at the end. So the next letter is D. You're going to look for reindeer that start with a D. And if there's more than one, then you have to look at the second letter. And if the second letter is the same, then you have to look at the third letter. Very good. When you are finished, you are going to save this and turn it into your teacher, and then do whatever else assignments that you have for the day. And have a good day. Bye, friends.